Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome to another exciting, beautiful, gorgeous, classy episode of African Fashion Designs. My name is Stella Badmus, and you are watching Stella Fashion TV, the number one channel on Ashwebi, Ankara, and other African fashion designs. How are you all today? I hope you are doing good, and I hope you are fine. So today I'll be showing you beautiful, classy, sophisticated styles in Ankara, in lace, in velvet, in dry lace, in cord lace, in sequence fabric that you can make into skirts and blouse, gown, maxi gown, Iro and Buba, blouse and wrapper for that special occasion, that special dinner event like your wedding, as a wedding guest, for birthday photo shoot, naming ceremony, housewarming, get together, baby dedication, bridal shower, graduation. All the style here are going to inspire you to make your own outfits to stand out in any occasion that you may want to attend in the near future. Just choose the style that you want, give it to your designer to make one or two for you, and let me know on the comment section. Kudos and credits to all the beautiful and creative designers of these gorgeous collections you're about to watch. You guys are amazing. Thanks for your creativity and thanks for showcasing the beauty of African fashion designs. Are you here for the first time? You are definitely welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. Just hit on the subscribe button and on the bell icon to get notified each time and whenever I post any new video. So without wasting much of your time, sit back, relax, make sure you watch to the very end, and I will see you at the end of this video. Welcome back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Did you see any style you like, 1, 2 or more in Ankara or lace, and you would like to give to your designer to make them for you? Let me know on the comment section. Are you yet to subscribe? Guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.